It has been 1 month since a devastating tornado outbreak tore through several states, leaving dozens of people dead.
The storms ravaged Kentucky, flattening homes and businesses. One of the hardest hit areas, Bowling Green. Madison Glassman is there as a church prepares to remember the 17 people lost in that city alone.
1 month after powerful tornadoes destroyed hundreds of homes in its path, claiming the lives of 17 people, the Bowling Green community will gather this evening at the Christ Episcopal Church to reflect and remember. We spoke with the Reverend Rebecca Kello, who says before they really start to recover, the community needs to grieve. Now, this is a lament and remembrance ceremony, reflecting on everything members of the congregation has been through this last month. Kello says they're tired and threadbare. She says God's help is needed now more than ever. She spoke with us about the homily she plans to share this evening. Take a listen.
My homily will center around what it means for God to be with us. You know, we may not have a miracle. These people are not going to come back to life. We have to lament and we have to grieve those lives lost.
The church is located here on State Street, and the service begins tonight at 6 p.m. Reporting in Bowling Green, Kentucky, I'm Madison Glassman, News 2.